Welcome back to NitroLandTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a seamless panoramic photo on Instagram using the multi-post feature. As you can see here, this is what the finished product will look like on Instagram. So let's get started. So here's the panoramic picture I want to post to Instagram, and I want to create 4 different pictures out of this so that we can create a seamless panoramic on Instagram. Once you have the picture you're going to post opened up, you're now going to open a new document by going to File, New. We're going to change the width and height to 1080 by 1080. That's just an Instagram post size. And the resolution, I'm going to change to 300 pixels per inch. Click OK. So this is the size of one image on Instagram, but we want 4. So I'm going to go to Image, Canvas Size, and I'm going to change the inches to percent, and I'm going to increase the width to 400%, and then click OK. Next, I want to divide this into 4 different sections for my Instagram post. So if you hit Control or Command R, this brings up your ruler. And if you right click on the ruler and change it to percent as well, then you can click on the left ruler and drag out to add a marker. We're going to set the marker positions at 25%, 50%, and 75%, since those are the 4 different images we're going to have. Next, I'm going to go back into my panoramic picture I want and then copy it on over. Control Z and Control V. Next, we're just going to resize this so that it fits how we like it. So Control or Command T to resize it. And as you drag, if you hold Shift, it'll keep it in proportion. And if you hold Option or Alt, then it'll resize it from both sides. I'm just going to center it like that. Since this post is for Instagram, I do want to add a few adjustment layers just to make some colors more vibrant and adjust it a little bit just so that it's a little prettier. I'm not going to go into too much detail on this. I did make a video showing how to edit your photos for social media. You can watch that video by clicking on the banner in the top right. Now comes the part of actually cutting up the image. So we're going to come over here to where our crop tool is, right click, and then go to slice tool. And then we're simply going to click and drag, and it'll snap automatically to the guidelines we made. We're just going to cut this up into 4 different pieces. As you can see here, the number on the top left shows which slice it is. So there's 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to right click on our slice tool again and go to slice select tool. Then we're going to double click on our slice and just rename it. I'm going to name it Panoramic 1. Click OK, and then do this for all 4. So now we're going to export the images. So go to File, Save for Web if you're on CS6. If you're on Creative Cloud, then it'll be under the Export dropdown. So just click Save for Web. And then you want to change this to JPEG, make sure it's on that. And the quality set to maximum. And you can click Save. I'm just going to save it as Panoramic. And one thing to point out, make sure your slices is set to all slices so that it saves each of the images. And then click Save. As you can see, it saved all 4 images here. So now all you have to do is get them on your phone and post them to Instagram. I'll do that right now. Here I have Instagram open with the pictures we just made. First, I'm going to select the multi-post icon, which is the squares that are stacked on each other. Then I'm going to go through and select each of my images in the order I want them. This is what it's going to look like. And then click Next. And then write your caption and do everything else you would normally do with Instagram. Click OK, and then click Share. So here's what the finished panoramic looks like on Instagram. As you can see, it's very seamless as it scrolls across from image to image. And that's all there is to it. One last thing I want to add, I did make a template so that's quick and easy to do. I'll put a link to the download down in the description. But here the slices are already made, and this is if you want the perfect square at 1080 by 1080 pixels. And then here is Instagram's max proportion size. It's 1080 by 1920. So basically all you have to do is open this up, throw your image in, and then you can grab the crop tool and just resize it to however many you need. So if you want a 4-picture post, you can drag it to here, a 5-picture post, and so on. And if you do want to post the maximum size, then all you have to do is grab your slice select tool, click on the first box and hold shift and select all the others, and then simply drag down to the full size, and now each one of these is an image. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment below what you want to see next, and subscribe for more.